Have you ever opened your Excel sheet and found that someone's deleted half the data? Or worse, your formulas are gone. Just gone. We've all been there. But if you're still running your business from a spreadsheet, this might be the wake-up call you didn't know you needed. This meme, it's funny, but it's also kind of true. Microsoft Excel is carrying the weight of the business world, including yours. Let's give it some credit. If you're using Excel, you're already ahead of the chaos. It's better than sticky notes, a drawer full of business cards, and better than relying on memory. You've got some structure in place, a place for your data. You're doing better than most. You're doing better than most. But that spreadsheet, it's also a fragile ecosystem. And the more your business grows, the more fragile it becomes. Here's where things get messy. Your team overrides each other's changes. If you give an update, you override the information already in a cell. One wrong formula breaks the whole sheet. You've got no version history and no follow-up system unless you remember to go and open your spreadsheet and check. And if the file gets lost and corrupted, good luck. Now, imagine this. Everyone sees the latest version, whether they're on their phone, their tablet, or at their laptop. Notes, calls, files, and messages automatically attached to each client. No more, I think John followed up, or no more, she's got the latest message on her phone or on a personal WhatsApp. Now, everyone can see what's going on in one unified place. It's not spread across inboxes and WhatsApp. This isn't about replacing Excel. Believe me, I've got an engineering background and Excel is the go-to for a lot of the work. It's about replacing the stress of relying on Excel. This isn't about being fancy or about some complicated new system. It's about building a business that doesn't break when you take a day off. It's about time back in your day, about clear visibility into your pipeline, and about showing up professionally, because that builds trust, that leads to referrals, repeat business, and a real growth, a business worth owning. So ask yourself, if your Excel sheet vanished tomorrow, would your business grind to a halt? If the answer is yes, then it's time to level up. Not with something complex, just something that fits the stage your business is at now. If you're ready to stop holding up your business like Atlas with your spreadsheets, book a call with me. Let's show you what running your business without chaos actually looks like. And we'll do it together, one smart system at a time.